Briana Love. I'm back with another video. So today's video is going to be a DIY. I'm bringing the DIY back. We're going to be doing some DIY room decor. So first, I'm kind of want to get started. If you haven't watched the video of me moving into my apartment, you should go check that out first so that you can see how my room looks. But I have added like a couple of things in my room. But right now what I'm working on is, I don't know if you guys can see, but this wall right here, I'm trying to fill this whole wall up and kind of do like a picture wall. So today's DIY is going to be dealing with pretty much all wall things. The Dollar Tree, and I went to Walmart, and everything I got from Walmart was also affordable. So as I do each DIY, I'll tell you guys how much it was and where I got it from. And yeah, I think that's it. So let's just get straight into the first DIY. Alright guys, so this is the first DIY. So these are the things that I've bought. So I got both of these from the Dollar Tree, and they're basically just photo frames. 5x7 is the measurement. And then I went online and I printed out, I did the measurements on Microsoft Word. I got these off of Google and I printed this out. So this will be like basic, but I just thought the frame itself was really pretty. And so what I'm going to do first is the first thing you want to do is take this off, simply because I'm going to be sticking it on the wall and not as a picture frame, so that's unimportant. Then I guess lift these tabs. Oh, I broke one. Be careful guys, it's cheap. Okay, yeah, so we're going to remove this. This is no longer important. And I guess we'll start off with the YSL first. Under the tabs. Like I said, be careful because these tabs are a little cheap. YSL frame. This is going to be really cute up on the wall. It cost me $1. Another way to do it is use the picture that it came with, because this paper is the exact measurement. Just align it and make sure the logo is all on it, and then cut around the paper. Close our tabs down, and boom. We have two designer frames. These cost $2, guys. Literally $2. Alright guys, so here's the second project. This also came from the Dollar Tree. Now, what I thought this was more like a picture frame. Is break it, kind of, and then I'm going to fix it again. So I'm just going to pull the box out. Oh yeah, actually, it was. So, let me just make sure I can fix it. Yeah, so it kind of falls out a little bit more, but yeah. So I'm trying to decide if I should paint it like I said, or I'm just going to open it flat and I'm going to paint it this shade of pink. This acrylic paint from Walmart, which cost 50 cents. I said cost. It cost 50 cents. 50 cents. And then I got these little foam brushes. These cost 77 cents. So you're looking at about, I'll say $2, a little bit over $2. I'm going to take my frame again, and I'm going to be using Mod Podge. Oops. And I need to, I don't want to use my finger, but I guess I will. I'm gonna glue. So, boom. We're gonna try and line this up. Close it. Yeah, well, it does feel secure, so boom. This is our second DIY, guys. I'm really excited because all of these are turning out bomb. So guys, my third DIY is this. So this also came from the Dollar Tree. I was really surprised to find this because I think this is super cute, but it basically has a string and it hangs from the wall, and it's a like a photo board kind of. But what I'm gonna do with this is, if you wanted, you could paint it and customize it, but like I said, black is also in my theme. So I'm gonna kind of do this as like an inspiration, a school inspiration board. So like I said, all of these you can really just customize to yourself. So if you're not in school right now and you don't want to do something like this, you can just add 2 other designer pictures. I have my picture right here that when I graduated high school. So I'm gonna put that in here. And then I'm currently in college right now, so I don't have any type of other card, so I'm gonna use a index card. I almost forgot what it's called. And I'm basically just gonna write bachelor's degree loading. I think that's cute. I'm gonna write it with black. I'm just gonna spruce it up with some glitter glue. So make these dots glittered. Alright guys, moving on to my next and last DIY. Each of these cost $2.97, and these are just 8 by 10 canvas panels, and this is a 3-pack. Alright guys, so back to these gray and white. So I think what I'm going to do is I printed out a picture of a Chanel No. 5 perfume bottle, and I messed it up a little bit. My printer kind of jacked it up, but you can't really tell. So what I'm going to do is print out the bottle. I'm going to print out the bottle and put it on here. So let's just cut this out. Okay, so I've cut the bottle out, and I'm trying to think if I want to place it in the middle or on the bottom, because I think this is where I'm going to include my flowers. So I think I'm going to put it at the bottom, and I'm going to glue some flowers. Alright guys, I was able to figure it out. So hot glue gun works better. So boom. So I got it in the spots, and then I'm just gonna smack, boom, smack, boom. Cute little piece. And now I'm gonna go over the outline of the bottle with this gold glitter glue. So this one I wanted to take apart the petals and just put the petals on. Piece. I don't know if this looks ugly to you guys or if it's cute to you guys. I thought it was pretty neat. Alright guys, so really quick, the final look. So like I said, I kind of showed you guys what was up there before. So the Chanel one is up there. The flower, I'm up there. So once again, let me try and focus it. It's Bachelor Degree Loading 2021 in my high school graduation picture. And then the three that I did, the YSL, the Chanel, and the Keep It Simple. This is so far what the wall looks like.